Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Solution. See here we need to find area of the ellipse. Equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. First of all, write down the ellipse equation. Ellipse equation is x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 as equation number 1. See, in the question he asked directly find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. This is the ellipse equation. Sometimes he may ask like this also, towards x-axis. If we ask towards x-axis, put in equation number 1 y is equal to 0 here, y is equal to 0. Or he may ask towards y-axis. If we ask like this, you must put x is equal to 0. See, we know that area formula is integral a to b y dx, or it may be like this also, integral a to b x dy. Okay, here I am going to use this one, integral a to b y dx. See, this is area in the form of y, but here is the combination of x and y variable, so we need to convert this ellipse in y form. That's why x square by a square plus y square by b square, which is equal to 1. So transfer this total form to here, that is equal to y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square. Here denominator is 1, so LCM, first denominator is 1, second denominator is a square, LCM is a square. Cross multiplication, 1 into a square minus 1 into x square, it is x square, this is y square by b square. Next, y square is equal to, see here b square is in the denominator, if we transform here it will be multiplied, so b square into a square minus x square by a square, that is equal to, see y is equal to under root of, we can write this is b by a whole square because both have power values, into a square minus x square. Now split the power value here, under root b by a whole square into under root a square minus x square. Power root gets cancelled. This is y is equal to b by a into a square minus x square. See, this is the y value. So now we need to find a and b values, means limits. Let's see the SketchUp of the ellipse. This is x-axis, this is the y-axis. See, this is the SketchUp. We need, this is towards x-axis, so these are the point of intersections of ellipse towards x-axis. This is a dash, this is a. See, these values are, we are finding towards x-axis, so we are putting in equation number 1 y is equal to 0. So putting y is equal to 0 in equation 1, because towards x axis, therefore x square by a square plus, here is y square, but y is equal to 0, 0 square by b square is equal to 1, that is equal to, see, x square by a square, x square by a square is equal to 0 square is 0, 0 by anything 0, plus 0 is equal to 1, that is equal to x square by a square is equal to 1. So denominator 1 cross multiplication, that is equal to x square into 1, x square is equal to a square into 1, a square, that is equal to x square is equal to a square, that implies x is equal to plus or minus a. So one x value is plus value, second x value is negative value. So here negative a comma 0, here is a comma 0. Observe here we need to find ellipse area. Ellipse area is integral a to b y dx. See, here is this ellipse is in first quadrant and second quadrant and third quadrant, fourth quadrant. This ellipse is occupied 4 quadrants. See, 4 quadrants are equal, so we need to find only one quadrant and multiply the remaining 4. So this is the origin 0 comma 0. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is a. So a is equal to 0 and b is equal to a. Now we are finding only first quadrant. Here required area of the ellipse is 4 into integral a to b y dx. That is equal to, see, why it is 4 means 4 into integral a to b, area of the first quadrant, one quadrant, area of the one quadrant. So 4 into integral a value is 0, 0. Integral a to b value is a. Y, we know that y value is b by a under root a square minus x square. So 4b by a under root a square minus x square into dx. That is equal to, here b by a is constant. Take it outside. 4 into b by a integral 0 to a under root a square minus x square dx. See, this is the formula directly. Integral under root a square minus x square dx is equal to x by 2 into under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a plus c. So this is the formula. So put the box to respective formula. Now substitute those values in the formula. That is equal to, here is, first of all, here we have 4b by a. This total is multiplied by 4b by a. So 4b by a times of, this value is x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a. The limits are 0 to a. Now substitute in x place a upper limit value, that is a. 4b by a into upper limit value is a by 2 into under root a square minus, here we have x square, it is a square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x value is a by a minus lower limit. In x place substitute lower limit, that is 0 by 2 under root 0 square a square minus, here we have x square, x value is 0 square plus a square by 2 sine inverse of x by a, x value is 0 by a. That is equal to 4b by a whole into, see here, a square minus a square, this is 0. 0 into anything, this total is 0. 0 plus a square by 2. See, a by a gets cancelled, so it is sine inverse of 1 minus, see, next 0 into anything, 0, this total is 0. We know that sine 0 is 0, this is 0, so 0 plus 0, that is equal to 4b by a into a square by 2 into sine inverse of 1. See here, a square cancelled, 2 ones are 2 twos are, that is equal to 2ab sine inverse of 1. We know that sine inverse 1 we can write sine of pi by 2. See, this is sine inverse gets cancelled, remaining is pi by 2. 2ab into, this is pi by 2. 2 cancel, remaining is pi ab square units. See here, sine pi by 2 is equal to 1. So instead of 1, we can write sine pi by 2.